Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete your account on BandLab music make music online website. So you can say this is interface. If you want to delete your this account permanently, then watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So what you need to do, you need to click here the profile icon and click here the settings option, and then click here the account option and scroll down. Then here you'll see the option danger area. It means it's really danger. So simply click on the delete my account. Then you have to choose why would you like to delete your account. So click here. Then here you'll get a couple of options like I have another account, I want to create a new account, I ran into problems while using BandLab. BandLab is difficult to use, I need to break. So there are a couple of options, reason why you're going to delete this account. To select this one, anyone, or you can select the others if you want, or you have to give information like why you were going to delete, or if you choose like predefault and click the delete my account, then your BandLab account will be deleted permanently. So this way you can delete your BandLab account. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you the next video.